Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with FX Market Insight for Tuesday, the 8th of September. All right, now as we come into the Asian session, US holiday yesterday, so not a lot of activity, but there are some things building, right? So the dollar index, I thought I did this video a little bit earlier, but it was the another meeting I had with our traders. Now, look, just having a look here, it's already started to happen, but the dollar index is starting to climb just above 93.10 resistance. And what that does for us is, this is on the back of sterling. Okay, if I can just get my pen up. Just breaking down here, right? So sterling's broken down. It hasn't raced away, which is a good thing. Now, what we're going to start to see, I think, is a drift lower in sterling. That's going to instigate a sell-off in euro. Don't forget, we do have the ECB during the week. And I think we'll find the Aussie and Kiwi start to follow suit. So, right, and at the moment, dollar yen's trading sideways. I know there's a short-term support line here, but I'm not really that interested in it at the moment. The dollar doesn't seem to want to dance too much with that. Dollar CAD still trading sideways. We've got the Bank of Canada this week as well. I mean, it is creating opportunities, especially with oil falling. But you know what? I think that the action right at the moment is sterling lower. So sterling crosses, trying to get short those pairs makes a lot of sense. If you're not short those pairs, look to get short euro, potentially Aussie and Kiwi as they break down. Now, if I just give you a look at the daily market insight, I'll give you a bit of a wrap around what we're looking at. Okay, the dollar index, the long-term trend has been down, but I'll tell you what, if it breaks through 93.10, we are going to start to see a bit of a correction to the top side. Goes with the short-term momentum. That's the same with dollar Swiss. Now, sterling has already broken down, so we've missed that. But there's a chance to sell sterling on a rally. Or if we miss that, then you've got euro, Aussie and Kiwi, and we've got support levels here to get short. Now, the good thing is, if they break those support levels, right, you're going to be breaking down. Well, sterling's already broken down. You're going to be breaking down through a couple of daily trend lines. Aussie's sort of starting to already go, but just hasn't got the momentum. So we're waiting for that little kicker. We did have the NAB business confidence numbers out. Okay, a little bit weaker than expected. That's got to put a little bit of pressure on the Aussie. Now, we've got to wait until, I think it's tomorrow, Chinese CPI, whether that comes into play. But as we go through that European session, I'm telling you now, like anything to do with Europe, whether it's the German trade balance or the Eurozone employment numbers or the revised GDP, any weakness here will be a great excuse for traders to sell. And euro has got a great setup there. So I'll break down through 180 in the figure. To me, it looks like really a good opportunity to start the week. All right, so that's what you can see. I mean, I've already updated the potential good trading opportunities here just at the moment. You can review those on the Daily Market Insight page. So euro, sterling, dollar index, dollar Swiss and Aussie. Check out the strategy and the key levels. You get those things matching up, you're starting to talk about getting into some good trades to start the week pretty early. All right, guys, that's it from me. Lots of good setups. Check them out. Cheerio.